What if I told you life doesn't feel boring because you're unmotivated? It feels boring because your brain is understimulated in the wrong way. And no, this isn't about traveling, buying hobbies, or romanticizing your life. This costs zero money. If life feels flat, repetitive, or quietly dull, this video gives you 4 switches that bring curiosity back, fast. And the last one is the real reason life feels empty right now. Most advice for boredom assumes you're missing something external. But psychology shows boredom usually means one thing. Your brain stopped learning, risking, and responding. So let's fix that without spending anything. These aren't tips. They're secrets your brain responds to whether you believe them or not. Secret number 1. Do things badly on purpose. Here's the counterintuitive truth. Competence kills interest. When you're good enough at life, your brain stops releasing dopamine. Studies on skill acquisition show novelty, not mastery, is what activates motivation. So instead of asking, "What would I enjoy doing?" ask, "What would I be bad at?" Draw badly, sing badly, write badly, cook something new and mess it up. Not to improve, just to experience friction again. If you've ever quit something because you weren't immediately good at it, comment, "Felt that." Why this works? Your brain loves error signals. Doing something badly reactivates curiosity without pressure. But this alone won't last. So here's what keeps it alive. The next one turns boredom into momentum. Secret number 2. Create research lists, not to-do lists. To-do lists drain energy. They're about output. But research lists? They're about questions. Your brain wakes up when it's searching, not finishing. So instead of "things I need to do," make lists like, "Why do I always lose interest after 3 weeks? What do creative people do when they feel stuck? How did people live before constant stimulation?" No pressure to act, just notice, save, observe. This mimics how curiosity works in childhood, open loops, not deadlines. Like this video if your notes app is already full of random thoughts you never look at again. Why this works? Psychologists call this epistemic curiosity, the desire to close a knowledge gap. And it creates low-level excitement without effort. But here's the problem most people miss. If someone is watching, curiosity dies. Which brings us to secret number 3. Remove the audience. Most people aren't bored, they're performing. Every thought becomes, would this be impressive? Would this be worth posting? Would people care? That kills play. Research shows intrinsic motivation collapses under evaluation, even imagined evaluation. So try this rule. Do one thing every day that no one will ever see. No documenting, no sharing, no productivity angle. Walk with no headphones. Write something you delete. Think without turning it into content. Comment offline if you miss doing things just because. Why this works? When there's no audience, your nervous system relaxes. Curiosity comes back online. But even this isn't the core issue. Because you can do all of this alone and still feel empty. So here's the real reason life feels uninteresting. Secret number 4. Talk to humans, unscripted, unoptimized. Not comments, not DMs, not parasocial content, real humans. Short conversations, unplanned, low stakes. Studies on well-being show weak social ties, not close friends, are the strongest predictor of daily happiness. The barista, the neighbor, the stranger in line. No goal, no outcome, just presence. Your brain evolved to feel meaning through interaction, not stimulation. If this feels slightly uncomfortable, that's the point. Why this works? Human unpredictability reintroduces novelty, emotion, and feedback loops technology flattened. This is the fastest way to feel alive again. So here's the system. No money required. Do things badly to reactivate curiosity. Collect questions, not tasks. This creates momentum. Remove the audience to protect intrinsic motivation. Talk to real humans and restore meaning. If you do this consistently, your future self won't say, "I was productive." They'll say, "Life started feeling real again." Before you scroll, which one are you avoiding the most? Don't answer me, just notice it. And if this helped, send it to someone who's been saying, "I don't know why I feel bored all the time."